Morning, everybody. We're out in East Hanover, New Jersey, just around the corner from the shop, doing this install. It's a larger one, so I wanted to do a little training video for the guys and show you what's going on. We got 2 transfer switches, 26 kW generator, which is the largest air-cooled generator they make, and we're going to go from there. So Andrew's going to bring the other one because you got it. It's you need a 100 amp SMM because we're load shedding that whole 100 amp sub panel.
Okay.
And then the other one is the pool panel, which is on an 80. So there's one on this truck, and then Andrew's going to drop off the other one.
Okay.
And then we'll go. And then, do we have a lantern or something for him down there?
There's one.
I got one here if he needs it.
On the truck, like magnetic on the back shelf.
All right, let me grab one for him because it's kind of in the dark down there. For it.
Oh yeah, there's a charger over there.
Magna works. Jesus. Yep. Drop test it.
Okay.
So I need a true 100 amp SMM.
No, this breaker, this is on a. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think we're supposed to have 200 amp SMMs on here.
So 100 is for that whole panel, and then we need
Another 100
one
for this 80 here, which is the panel. That's the pool panel. I don't know if we can put that out at the pool or if we can put it in here. I don't know. I don't know how big those things are either. Okay.
All right, let me go grab one.
He's an electrician, please. He knows exactly what to expect. So one switch is going to go here. Next one's going to be a little staggered down here. Refeed it into the panel, come down a pipe, up into the second one, come on the meter, down a pipe into the second one, pipe out the top over to a junction box, from there down into the back of the generator.
Okay, there's no solar?
No.
All right, cool. And the generator's going right here.
Yeah.
So what exactly is going on here?
Separating grounds and neutrals. So when we put in the transfer switches, it essentially turns the main panels into sub-panels. And in sub-panels, you have to have the grounds and neutrals separated. So I get to do that.
I've heard of it. We still have.
Oh, yeah.
That's a NOS that they haven't even installed yet. I guess. I think maybe they just want to make sure that they have it.
Yeah, that's the guy that goes against it. But, right. And it's just, and you know how it is in business. It's the same thing every day, but different. And it's all about, right, repetition and, right. But, alrighty, I'll let you go.
Got it.
Alright, we can do that. Steve, I'll call you back. I know if we need you somewhere, because I'm up here on some reasons. How far are you from the shop? Oh, okay. Alright. I'll call you back.
I'm heading kind of that way now to finish maintenance.
So this kid that I was talking about today, stove, the real deal.
Good, good.